So in this video, I want to discuss the rubric that is used to grade students in biology standards for both the content and skills categories in the gradebook. Now, the standard is based grading is done in levels of proficiency, which go from not yet to advanced. Now, this scale can sometimes be used in a 5 point scale, as you see on the parentheses, but sometimes the district or school may not allow a 5 point scale, and I have to convert that to a standard 100 point scale. To avoid penalty for the students with zeros on a 100 point scale, which would disproportionately affect their grade, the minimal in a 100 point scale will be a 50. That does not, however, mean the student is getting half credit for doing nothing. What that means is that the scale begins at a 50 and ranges from 50 to 100. So in that case, a 50 means really bad. It means not performing the way they're supposed to be performing, or at least I don't like to say really bad because that kind of makes it sound like the student is bad. What it means is that I don't have evidence to show that the student has demonstrated mastery. They're not there yet. So the not yet level is a 0 on the 5 point scale or a 50% on the 100 point scale. Then the next level will be called beginning, which is 1 on the 5 point scale or a 55% on the 100 point scale. The next level is approaching, which is a 2 in the 5 point scale or a 65% on the 100 point scale. Then you have transitioning at a 3 or 75%, proficiency, which is level 4 or 85%, and exceptional, which is level 5 or 95%. And in some cases, I might also include an advanced level, which will be considered honors credit or extra credit in the class, depending on the situation. Now, this is the basic structure of the scale. And if while I'm using a 6 point scale, you will literally see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 entered on those skills or standards within the gradebook. If not, I'm going to put the 100 points, but really you have to remember that it's less a percentage and more a qualification or value of where you are in this grading level, right? On this platform or this proficiency scale. So it was just kind of a change for the way students think about it because you're not really getting 65% of the total amount of points. What you're getting is a score that represents where you are in this rubric. On the next video, I'm going to talk about what you have to do to be placed in each rung of that ladder. And then another video after that on how it actually works in terms of calculating the overall grade of the student. So I'll see you guys then.